Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Today, we're diving into a fun new challenge. Spot the odd one out. Numbers and letters edition. We've got 15 puzzles lined up, ranging from easy peasy to OMG, how do I even levels. All right, hit that subscribe button and let's roll, fam. Warm-up time. Can you spot the odd letter? Boom! There it is! Which number stands out? Yup, you nailed it! Find the letter that doesn't belong. Easy mode activated. Emoji alert. Can you guess the word? It's fluffy and cute. Yup, a bunny. Which letter's looking sus? That's right, you got it! Hunt down the oddball letter. Found it? Sweet job! Showdown time, A versus B. Pick the right emoji. Ding, ding, it's A. One of these letters isn't like the others. Spotted it? Heck yeah. Where's the odd A hiding? Second row, baby. Numbers game. Spot the standout number. Bam! There it is. Can you find the Bitcoin symbol in the sea of dollars? Found it? Crypto King for the win! Keep going. Find the different letter here. Yup, that's the odd one. Another letter mix-up. Spotted it? You're on fire! Numbers hidden behind the image. What do they say? It's 2024. Take your time on this one. Got it? Of course you did! And that's a wrap! Let us know your score in the comments and flex those skills. If you had a blast, smash that like button and subscribe for more crazy fun games. Now, go pick your next challenge and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.